Before starting the supervised classification process, we need to select some samples by using the Region of Interest tool. Regions of interest, or ROIs, are portions of the images selected graphically. Click Processing tab of the interface, then Classification, then Regions of Interest. The Regions of Interest tool dialog appears. Click Add to create a ROI. Click one ROI type and then draw the ROI on the image. The following ROI types are available: polygon, rectangle, and ellipse. We can also set the ROI name, sample color, and delete the selected ROIs. Double-click to complete the ROI. The ROI will be automatically added to the sample list. Supervised classification includes two methods. Distance. Distance classification calculates the mean vector and the standard deviation vector for each class using the sample data, and then calculates the Euclidean distance from each unknown pixel to the mean vector. All pixels are classified into the nearest class unless the standard deviation or distance threshold is set, in which case some pixels may stay unclassified if they do not meet the selection criteria. Click Processing tab of the interface, then Classification, then Supervised, then Distance. The Distance classification dialog appears. Select the input file from the file list, and the file information will be shown on the right list. If the file is not in the list, click Import File to input a file. Set image range to be used for classification. Set image bands to be used for classification. Select ROI files to be used for classification. Click the Classifier Type drop-down list to choose one of the distance models. Set the path and file name for the output file. Click OK to finish. Maximum likelihood. Maximum likelihood classification assumes that the stats for each class in each band are normally distributed, and calculates the probability that a given pixel belongs to a specific class. Each pixel is assigned to the class that has the highest probability, that is, the maximum likelihood. If the highest probability is smaller than a set threshold, the pixel remains unclassified. Click Processing tab of the interface, then Classification, then Supervised, then Maximum Likelihood. The ML classification dialog appears. Select the input file from the file list, and the file information will be shown on the right list. If the file is not in the list, click Import File to input a file. Set image range to be used for classification. Set image bands to be used for classification. Select ROI file to be used for classification. Set the path and file name for the input file. Click OK to finish.